Hey guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to install iOS 16 and a couple of things that it does. It is quite simple to find, so let's go ahead and get started. So all you want to do is find settings on your home page. Once you're there, you want to find General, and then you click on Software Update near the very top. Once you're here, you just want to wait for it to load. Right now, I can update to 15.7 for the update. But if you look at the very bottom, I can also upgrade to iOS 16. If I go ahead and select that, so it will bring a redesigned lock screen with new ways to customize widgets for information at a glance. You can link your lock screen to a focus and also use focus features to filter out distracting content. There are big updates for messages, so you can unsend messages now. Visual lookup lets you lift the subject of an image from the background and copy and paste it, like apps like Mail and Messages. iOS 16 also includes new updates to Mail, Maps, Wallets, Health, News, and more. So there's lots of different updates with this, but if you just want to install it, just click Download and Install at the very bottom. It will install, and once it is done, you have to log back into your phone, and iOS 16 should now be on your phone. So I hope this video does help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. Just want to say thank you for watching to the very end, and I will see you in the next video.